Hello students, good morning all. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Student, welcome to our SS video class. Students, as we all know that chapter number 6 is complete. Students, we completed chapter number 6 in our textbook. Okay. So, now we are going to start chapter number 7. Get it? Okay, so students, our chapter number 7 name is the water we drink. So students, in this video class we are going to start from basic information related to water. Okay, so we will start basic information with activity, and then next video class we will start our chapter number 7. Okay, so now we will start some basic information. Okay, so student, first of all I am telling you that water is essential for our life, and there is no life without water on our earth. Okay, as we all know that water is very important for our life. We can't live without water. As we all know that we get water from many sources like rivers, groundwaters, well, rain, etc. etc. And we use also water for drinking, then cooking, then food, cleaning, and many other purposes. Okay, so student, in this chapter we will learn about that important for water in our life, sources of water, and then uses of water. Get it? Then water is very useful to us, like growing plants and for agricultural life to get food. Okay, it is also useful growing food. Okay. Students, do you know the amount of clean water on earth is very less? Students, do you know get that? The amount of clean water on earth is very less. So people used to do rainwater harvesting. Do you know rainwater harvesting system? Student, we will discuss in our next video class when we start chapter from our textbook. Okay? So, water is also used in industries, and they need to grow industries. Students, as we all know that we are living in a Morbi. Okay, so in a Morbi we can we see that many of the industries are there. That's why water is also used in industries. Okay, so water is one of the best gift from God to human on this planet. There will be no life without water. Water is most needed for significant for our living beings. More than 70% of water area is covered with water in different forms. Student, do you know that 70% earth is covered with water? Okay. Then, water is essential for our domestic, agriculture and industries purpose also. Okay? We use clean and pure water for drinking and cooking also. Okay? So, student, now you get that, I hope you get that water is very important for our life. Why? Because it's essential survival of our life. A hungry man can live for many days, but a thirsty man can't, as it is possible to live in without water. Hungry man can live without food, but thirsty man can't live without water. Okay? So, water is very important in our life. So now, without water there will be no plants, no human beings, no fruits, no animals, etc. etc. So student, now I hope you quite very well. So students, now we will start some activities related to water. Okay. So now we will start. Students, you can see here. First of all, what will we do? You have to draw trees like this. You have to draw tree like this. Okay. Done. And then you can see the instruction here. In the tree given below, you can see that there is one tree. The name of 6 water bodies are hidden. Now, what will we do? You can see here many of the spellings are there. But you have to write down here M-A-N and then P-O-N-D, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, S-E-A, C-A-R, L-A-K-E, K-I-T-E, L-I-K-E, W-E-L-L, S-T-R-E-A-M, then R-I-V-E-R. Okay. So, the name of 6 water bodies are hidden. Color them with the different color pencil. Okay. So, students, first of all, what will you do? Okay, you have to draw one tree like this, and then you have to write down these all spellings. Get it? You have to write down these all spellings, and then you have to color it. Which one is water bodies? There are total 6 water bodies are hidden. Okay. So you have to color on it. Students, I told you that about the water bodies, water sources like rivers, groundwater, wells, rains. Okay. So you have to find out from this tree. Okay. And then you have to circle. Students, you can see here that all letters are in a trees. Okay, so you can color it in easily. Get that? So, students, here I don't have to color, but you have to draw. You have to draw trees and fill color on water bodies. But here I draw circle. Okay, first of all, I will circle on a pond because it's a water bodies. Okay, like this. But you have to write down from yourself. Get it? Then S-E-A, she. Then where. Students, here 3 has been done for you. Okay. Now remaining water bodies you have to find out from yourself. Get it? So now we will discuss our next activity. Students, in this activity you have to do in your extra book. First of all, once again I am telling you, you have to draw trees, and then you have to write down this whole spelling, okay, these all words, and then the name of 6 water bodies you have to find, and then you have to, if you want to do circle, so you can, if you want to do fill color, so you can, whatever you want. Got it? So students, then your activity is complete. Okay, so this activity you have to draw in your extra notebook. Get it? So now this is the turn or next activity. Okay. So student, this activity is, you can see here many animals are there, but now we will discuss. So students, as we all know that water is very essential for our life. There is no water without water on earth. There is no life without water on earth. But students, we will know that many animals are live in water, live in only and only water, not on land. So in this activity is based on it. Okay. So now many animals live in a water. Student, as we all know that many animals live in a water. Color the animals which live in a water. You have to fill color. Those animals are live in a water. Cross out those who don't, and cross out those who don't. Students, now you I hope you have a query like this, ma'am, how can we draw like this? Okay, how can we draw this whole animals pictures in our extra book? But students, now I am telling you, just you have to do like this, that first of all you have to do write down water animals and then land animals. Okay, first of all you have to make 2 points. First one is water animal, then second one is land animals. Okay, then you have to see this picture. Okay, then you have to see this picture and write down the name of water animal in the first part and then land animal in a second part. Okay, so students, you can see here many animals. First one is crocodile. Okay, so now I am explaining you only and only for example. You have to do from yourself. Okay, so here one is a crocodile. So you know that it is a land animal, yeah, water animal. Then fish, then shark, rabbit, octopus, butterfly, frog, pig, rat, okay, snake, okay, a hen. Okay, you can see here many animals that find in this activity. Okay, so first of all, what will you do? Yeah, name any 3 animals that you colored in the above the pictures. Okay, so if you want to make a picture, picture of animals, so you can go in your extra book and then you have to write down in underside that downside that name any 3 animals you have colored in the above pictures. Okay, so now first of all, in a water animal man, we will write fish, shark, fish, crocodile. Okay, frog, land animal by radish, then pig, then hen, then rat, then snake. Get it? So you have to do like this. Okay. So students, in this video class we are already complete 2 activity. Okay, now we will discuss our next activity. Water is very precious for us. We should not waste it. Students, do you know we should never waste water? In the set of the pictures, cross out the picture where the water being wasted and color where is not. Students, it's only and only for your get. Okay, you don't do in your extra book. It's only and only for just see it. Okay, I just explain you. Okay. Students, you can see here there is a two picture set. They both are same. Okay, both are same, but in one picture is waste water and one picture waste don't water. Okay, so cross out the picture where the water is being wasted. Okay, we have to cross out. On this picture water is waste. Okay, so you can see here first a girl she is brushing. Okay, but in this picture first picture is water is wasted, second one is water is not wasted, so we will cross mark on first one picture. You don't have to do in your extra book. It's only and only आपको समझने के लिए ही है. Get it? आपको सिर्फ समझने के लिए ही, आपको एक्स्ट्रा बुक में करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay? Get it? Then you can see here one woman. She is clothing, washing clothes. Okay? So first picture there is not waste water, second one is yes there is waste water. Okay, so we should never waste water, so we will cross mark on our first picture. Okay, in then next one, a boy is bathing. Okay, a boy is bathing, but you can see here that in one picture, both pictures are the boy is bathing in both pictures. Okay, but in first one boy is a not waste water, in second one boy is a waste water. Okay, so we will cross mark on first one. Then next picture, the boy and girl, and second picture two girl. They all people are talking. Okay, but tap is open in one picture. Tap is open in second picture. Tap is closed. Okay, so which one is right? Second one, because there is no waste water in second picture. Get it? So student, now this activity is done, and then we should not waste water because of. Now this question you have to write down in your extra book. We should not waste water. Why? Because you have to give reason. Why should not waste water? Okay, so student, as you all know that in this video class we are going we completed activity 1, 2 and 3. These two activity you have to do in your extra book, and this question also you have to do in your extra book. Okay, so students, I hope you people enjoy are in your SS video class. Okay, so in next video class we are going to start our chapter from our textbook. Okay, so students, I hope you people are enjoying in this video class. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.